Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland. You see before you a piece of MDF which is 9 by 20 inches or 23 by 50 centimetres, and there's nothing on it yet. I'm going to put some white paint on here, and I should have had a brush or something, but I'll be right. I'll just use this. This is just to give the paint a bit of a hand, and then I'll squiggle it out a bit. Doesn't have to be too bad because I'll put some more on in a minute if I have to. Slopping already, no wonder I use plastic. Okay, so that's that side done. This should be nice, I hope. The colours that I'll be using, as you can see, are white, black, apple red, and Cerulean blue, that one. Okay, so that's just about got it right. Over the edge. Come on, Mort, come on. Okay. So I'm going to do get a dirty cup going with the colours, and then I'm just going to tilt this up toward you a little bit and pour it straight down, see what happens. So the recipes for the paint and pouring medium you will find below show more under this video. And get these knives out, I think. I have put OGX in both the red and the blue, but not in the white or black. So there's the white, a little bit of black. This red's really pretty, nice and bright. And more white. A sprinkle of black. A little bit of red. And more blue. Actually, that might do me. Put a bit more white on the top, I think. Okay, get over there. So here we go. You can see how pretty they are. Down she goes. Just spilled a fair bit there, but that's okay. Look down to the end. And I want to sort of even it up a bit if I can. Okay. Tell you what I will do, I think. My colours are so pretty. Come here. I'll just tip it out onto this. I have a record here, so I might just tilt it onto the. If I move that there like that, can you still see? Let me see. No, it's okay. I'll bring it forward. That there. I'm going to bring it back onto this anyway. So here we go. Ooh, it's coming up nicely. I'm just turning him around. Back this way. come on. And then the lucky last corner, that can stay like that, that's nice. I am impressed here. Just bringing it back to the middle. Just get that pat with what I have on my fingers. Make sure I've got the edges, and I have. So, wow, okay, look at the cells already. Alright, well, I'm just going to wipe my hands off because I didn't bring a cloth over. I'm doing a rinse, and then I'm going to torch it. That's done. And I think if I bring you over a little bit more even, eh? There we go. Yes, with that one. And which way does it go? Yep. So it hangs on the wall as you're looking at it, because the little clip for the wall is up this top end. So that's very nice. I like. And I've got more gunk on my hands. So I'll bring you down to have a look, and as I said, the recipes are under Show More below the video. There's also a link there to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming, and you're more than welcome to come and join us over there. And I think that's about all I have to tell you. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. Click the little bell and you'll be notified then as I put more videos up onto YouTube. And please give this one a thumbs up. I do appreciate it when videos get the thumbs up. This is what I was looking at, which is really quite pretty. And then I'll bring you around. There's the lovely tip off I got. So that's rather nice too. And this is the way it'll go on the wall, I think. And as you can see, have some very nice cells, some pretty lines, a little bit of red come through. It's rather surprising really. I thought I was putting rather a lot of red in, and hasn't quite turned out that way, but hey, I'm not complaining. This is really pretty. Well, I can see the red starting to come through a little bit now into the cells, which is makes them rather nice. A little smoky bit just there. Where is it? There. That's rather nice. Alright. That's it. Well, thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.